welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's vlog, I'll be visiting some charity stores in Aberdeen. I'm planning to launch my paper business in the next few days, and I'm going into the stores to inspire myself with craft paper designs, packaging, and also see if I could find some cheap stuff to use as free gift. So I'm launching an upcycled paper line, and for the first 20 orders, we hope to put in some nice, goodies or freebies for being among our first customers. So I'm going to try some charity stores today, and I will thank you all so much for tuning in.
We met under the moon so bright, whispered dreams in the still of night. Your eyes, they spoke 1,000 words. In silence my heart, it was stirred. Through the trees your laughter flew, a melody only we knew. Hands entwined, we danced till dawn, barefoot on the morning lawn. Oh, the stars aligned for you and me. In this cosmic love we're free. With every breath a song.
So right now I'm at the Queen's Cross area, and I am trying to cover a little bit, trying to shoot a video for my vlog before I head into the city center. So in today's video we shall be covering the Queen's Cross area of Aberdeen. So this is where our walking tour starts from. We'll be starting here from Queen's Cross, and I'll be walking right into Aberdeen City Center. And before I get to Aberdeen City Center, I hope to pass through some charity stores to check for cheap materials for my new business. So I just started a paper upcycling business, and I thought I would go to the charity store to find more things to add to my business. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please, if it is your first time here, remember to like, subscribe, and please leave us a comment. Thank you so much. And if you are a YouTube creator, you can leave me a comment on any of my short video. Even if it takes me days to respond, trust me, I will come back to it. So thank you so much for joining me as we explore the Queen's Cross area today. I don't know if it's Queen's Cross or Queen Cross. So I'm not going to cross now. I just have to wait a little. I'm already too late. So now I have to wait to cross. The Queen is crossing away. I'll reduce my speed now. So guys, I just crossed the road. That's how difficult it is to cross the roads here, but it is really, really safe. You can't hear that car just hit one girl on the road because you wait. Patience. So road, you turn left, then you get King Street, but we're not covering King Street today. So we have done Queen's Cross, we've done Rosemount, and now we've done Holborn, and now we're on Union Street. So let's head to the charity stores and do some shopping.